This website took me 10 minutes to create. I did not write a single code for this website. I just used Claude and Hostinger to build me this website in less than 10 minutes. So this is exactly what I will be showing you in this video how to create. You just need a Hostinger account and a Claude subscription, and you will just use prompt to ask Claude to create you something like this. So I will give you guys access to the prompt if you wanna create the exact same website as this one. As you can see, you will even have option to add your work, the link of your work to your website. This is long form and short form video. This is what the client will get. So you even had option to add your email so you can receive email from your client. Isn't that awesome? So let's get right into it. Alright, in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step and very easy how to make a video editor portfolio website with AI. So for this video we will be using Claude, and make sure you have a Claude subscription, and we will be using Hostinger to host the website. So first, we're going to choose a website that we want to use as a inspiration. So I'm going to search for video editing website. So as you guys can see, I'm going to open the first one. I should put portfolio. Okay, video editing portfolio example. So if I go to Wix and let me see if I can find a good video editing portfolio site portfolio. And so anyways, I'm going to just ask Claude because those one are not looking that good. I'm going directly to ask Claude, can you create me a video editing website? I'm a video editor and I mostly work with YouTuber, Instagram influencer. I edit short form video and long form video as well, and I do all kind of edit. And make sure you create me a beautiful website, a professional looking website, very simple but professional looking, and I will give you a file which is exactly the format, which is HTML, and you should follow the code inside the file and the format so you can create the website. The website will be hosted on Hostinger as an HTML file. I will upload it and make sure it's compatible with Hostinger. Okay, now I will upload the website. So as you guys could see, this is the example file that Hostinger support. So what I did is I download the default file, which is PHP. So the default is PHP, and I download this default one and I send it to Claude. Claude will analyze the file, and then it will see the compatibility and then build my website so I can just download it and re-upload it on Hostinger with no issue. So now I'm going to send the prompt and the file type right here, and right now I'm using Fable 5 and we start at 450. I don't know how long it will take to build it, but we will be right back when it's done. Okay, the website is already done, and it says if you want to preview it and public HTML.zip ready to upload straight to Hostinger. So yes, I wanna see the preview. Let me see the preview. There you go. So here's the preview of the website, and as you can see, If you scroll down, you can see, okay, I will add some more. Can I give you some link of my work that already on YouTube and Instagram, and you will put them as embedded link on the website, and make sure the website look nicer, and like make sure it is more like Apple design style, with those glass morphism, glass type design, with those embedded box style design which Apple use. So anyway, I'm not a designer. I don't really know the name of those design the Apple use, but if I think it's glass morphism, yeah. So ChatGPT will get it, and now I'm going to Instagram. So I don't have a portfolio, so I'm going to Instagram. So I'm going to click on edit. So I can just go to YouTube, and okay, this is an editing.
İşte bu gerçekten önemli olan kısım.
Okay, so I'm going to just copy some of those and give them to Claude, paste, and then let me go to this guy's channel. Okay, perfect. So let me copy some of those links and give them to Claude, and copy link address. So you get the point. You will just put your own edit. Make sure you guys don't steal someone else work. So yeah, this guy is very good. I think I'm going to subscribe as well. Anyways, I'm going to give more of those links to Claude, and I will give him some those type of video as well, 4 of those. So you can just give Claude your YouTube channel like this one right here, and then I will tell them, here is my channel. Make sure you create 2 different what that called, 2 different layer. One of them is for the short form video, and one of them for the long form. Here's my YouTube channel. So put them on the website. Put one row as my short form and one as the 16:9 videos. And again, I need the website to be I need the color to be transparent background, a little bit, add more transparent background, very clear, and the design should be look better, a little bit more whitish transparent. There you go. So by the way guys, if you guys want the prompt that I use, just let me know in the comment section. I will send you the prompt, so you can just copy and paste without all those headache. So now Claude will add those video to the website. So I think a better option would be if I give if I give Claude the Apple website. I think it will do, the editing could be better. Let me copy this link, copy, and go back. I'm going to check the result. If I'm not satisfied with the result, I will tell them to use I will give them the Apple website, and it will use it as a inspiration. Oh yeah, I think it's very nice. So right now it didn't show the previews. Can you let me see the previews of the website, and make sure you always show me the previews. Oh, there you go. This is much better. Short form, long form, story driving structure, clean pacing, no dead hair. I think I'm satisfied with the result, and the problem is the embedded link from YouTube are not working on the previews, and I get this message. It say this content is blocked. Contact the site owner to fix the issue. So I cannot see any previews of the video on the website. Can you fix that? So now it's working on fixing this issue to make sure those previews is working, and after that we should be able to see the previews of this video player. Again, it did that show me the preview. Show me the fucking previews. This is why the sometimes those tools piss me off. When you tell them to do something, next time they do it one time and then okay, there you go. Okay, I don't like it that way. I want the thumbnail to be showing. So I'm going to take a screenshot. So I want the thumbnail of the edits of the videos to be showing as well. And also I want the actual video title to be showing too. And make sure you show me the previews. So in my case, it says YouTube is blocked. So they will use vidIQ to download the title and the thumbnail to post them on my website. By the way, if you have those video of your portfolio on Instagram, it will work as well. Okay, there you go. So it still did not show the thumbnails. Okay, this is a bigger issue. So right now, when I click, it's not play. So I just copy the message and give it to Claude, and it will analyze the problem and fix it. The problem is, can you keep showing me the previews of the website so I can see what it look like? Jesus Christ, how many times should I tell you this? Now Claude is pissed me off. How I'm going to see what the website look like if you don't give me any preview? See, I hear you and I get the frustration. Always that replay. Always I hear you, and 10 seconds later do the same thing. You know what? I don't think this one is okay. So this issue still not resolving, but you guys get the point. I will try to find, maybe it will be play on Hostinger. So you say from here on out, every change I make, you get both file present immediately. So which one is the website? Which file should I download to upload to Hostinger? So you give me two different files. Oh, I think this one is the website right here. Upload index HTML to Hostinger. Okay, preview HTML is only for looking at the design in our chat. Oh, okay. Oh, I had to click on it. Okay, that makes sense. And now I'm going to Hostinger and click on your website and then click on dashboard and just go right here on open file manager, and it will open this right here, and here it say do not upload here. Just click up here on public HTML and you will find the default website here. So make sure you delete that one, but before you delete this, make sure you download it and give it to Claude when you start with the website, so Claude can know exactly what format it should use. So I already downloaded, so I can delete it. So now I will upload it. Click on upload and folder, and make sure you extracted the folder, extracted the file. So this one right here is kind of confusing. Let me go ask Claude. Capture and boom. And also I have an issue when I do right click, I do not find a way to change the file from the zip. So I cannot extract the file after I download it. So when I click on upload folder, the file will not be open. So which option should I choose to upload to Hostinger? I think it's the file option. Let me check. Choose file, not folder. There you go. So let me close this. Let me choose file. There you go. Okay, now it uploaded right here. So I don't know if this, let me take this screenshot and ask if it's good. Control V like this. Okay, they say I should extract the file extract folder name. So name it your website portfolio and then extract. Oh, there you go. Okay, so I think it's good to go. Maybe I should delete the other one. Let me send the screenshot to Claude again, like that, like this. It's a click into the portfolio folder. You should see index.html inside. Select index.html. Use move to public HTML level. Oh my god. Hold on, let me check first if it's not working. Okay, so let me open the website. You know what? There's a better way to do it. Let me try to connect Hostinger to Claude Code. Can I give you access to my Hostinger account and you handle those issues? Oh, I think I got it. Public slash HTML. Okay, this one should be delete. So what did Claude says? It says in public HTML delete the portfolio folder and index. Okay, new file and delete. Oh, so I think I should download this folder right here. Okay guys, I figure out the issue. So I had to go here, right here on the public HTML. So let me go back. When you click on file manager, when you open it, you should just click inside here and then drag and drop the file that Claude gave you, which is, where is it? This file right here. When you download it, it will say index.html. Make sure you write it exactly like this, index.html, and put it inside the public HTML. And then, as you could see, when I go back to Hostinger and then click here, boom, it opened my website. So now here's your website, here's your portfolio. As you can see, how good is that? So service right here, and what I edit, short form and long form. Let's talk right here. Email, enter email. Let me see if this works. So email is working, so everything is worked. Let me see if I can play.
There are three important
Okay,
steps you
video
should
is
focus on:
playable
analysis,
right here.
planning, and execution.
So
Wherever you are
that's
and whatever your
perfect.
job is,
So
once you
if I
follow these
click on
steps with
see
consistent
more on
discipline,
my channel,
momentum will start to build
this is
slowly
this,
but surely,
channel
and
that
you'll
I
see your
use
growth
as the
explode like
reference.
never before.
As you guys could see, it's work 100%. So I will leave the link in the description for the Hostinger and the prompt as well. Let me know guys what you think. If you guys any question, just let me know.